Hi, my name is Allison Young. I'm a reference assistant here at the McAllen Public Library. For today's wellness tip, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can get started on meditation. Now, quick disclaimer, I'm not a physician of any sort, so if you have any concerns about what I'm about to demonstrate to you, please go ahead and consult a professional first. Now that we have that out of the way, let's go ahead and get started. Okay everyone, right now I'm sitting down cross-legged. Let me just move back. I'm on the mat. Now I'll go ahead and show you how to get started on meditation. So what I recommend is that you start small and then build yourself bigger. Meaning, maybe for the first time, try meditating for just 5 minutes. Next time, 10. Another time, 15. Just keep building it up. And the more you practice, the better you'll get. So we'll start by sitting in whatever position you're comfortable in. Like I said, I'm sitting here cross-legged. If you feel more comfortable lying down, go ahead and do that. So what we're going to start is just closing your eyes, and then you're going to be breathing in and breathing out. Once you're breathing in and breathing out, I really recommend you just listen to the sound of you inhaling, exhaling. So just keep doing that. Now, it's totally normal if you feel like, your thoughts are going on in the background. We're human. We're going to have a lot of things on our mind. All that's important is just keep that at the back and just keep focusing on your breathing. So, breathe in, breathe out. Just keep focusing the entire duration of your meditation, and you'll find yourself getting into it. If you have any questions or any comments, feel free to post them below. But I want to thank you for participating, and I hope you have a wonderful day.